subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor has launched its new affordable phone in Russia called Honor 30i, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Honor 20 Lite smartphone that was launched back in October last year in China. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 30i features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports a water drop notch at the top center that houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned triple camera setup including LED flash. The AAA cameras of the phone includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor 30i comes powered by Kirin 710F chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via nano memory card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Magic UI 3.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 157.2 by 73.2 by 7.7 mm and it weighs around 171.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 30i has been priced in Russia at 17,990 Russian rubles, and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in Midnight Black, Shimmering Turquoise, and Ultraviolet Sunset color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 30i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.